Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through another tutorial on the TI Inspire CX2 CAS calculator. Today's topic will be on binomial distribution, and the questions will be around trying to find what n is, which is the number of trials. So we're basically given the information and we have to work backwards. So let's get started. So the question is, Monique is practicing bowling for her netball. She knows from past experience that her chance of making any one shot is about 70%. Her coach has asked her to keep practicing until she scores 50 goals. How many shots would she need to attempt in order to ensure that the probability of scoring of at least 50 goals is more than 0.99? So, okay, so we can write out our probability. So PR of X is bigger and equals to 50. So X is basically the number of scores. And then this probability is more than 0.99. Now for TI Inspire CX2, it works backwards. So we need to rewrite our probability as X is less than 49, is less than 0.01. So the CAS calculator actually if this is your binomial distribution, it needs to work backwards to find out the like the 0.99. So it needs to look at the probability of 0.01, and this is your the n that you're trying to figure out because this n is the same as the probability of x bigger than or equal to 50 is more than 0.99 or 99%. So okay, so let's get started. So we'll bring out our calculator here and we want to go to menu, probability, distributions, and we want to select inverse binomial n. So that's over here. Okay, and then you just press enter there. So let's quickly go to that. Okay, now our cumulative probability, as we have already constructed, it's going to be 0.01. Because it needs to work in reverse. And then your probability of success is zero point 0.7. And then because that's the her chance of making any one shot is 70%. So the probability of success is zero point 0.7. The number of successes is going to be 49 in this case. So and then make sure you press on matrix form. So this should be the settings to have on the calculator. And then just go OK. Okay, and there you have it. So you have this matrix here that shows you 85 is 0.0104. So in this case, that's not the answer because it's still more than zero point zero 0.01. So we want to look for the probability being less than zero point zero 0.01. So in this case, when n is equals to 86, the probability is less than zero point zero 0.01, which is about 0.7%. So that's the answer there. So n is equals to 86. So what does that mean? It means that Monique needs to take 86 shots in order to score at least 50 goals, and that probability being more than 0.99 or 99%. So that and there you have it. So basically the answer is n is equals to 86 for Monique to score more than 50 goals with a probability being more than 99%. Okay, so if you got any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next session. Okay, I'll see you later.